So a customer will come in with an idea, whether it's fashion jewelry or an engagement ring, or reworking something really sentimental that was passed down from generations. We can take the stones from it or the metal from it if you want and completely rework it into something more fashionable, more modern, brand new, or just simply rework it into its original state. We'll get inspiration, being in the industry, exposed to these different trade shows and everything. We come across stones, and sometimes one just strikes you, and you can just doodle it up, and we'll give it to the jeweler. And Brian, doing what he does for so long, he's amazing. He brings our visions to life, which is really cool. We have quite a few pieces here in the store that were custom designed by the staff and then made in-house by our in-house jeweler.
I've been in the jewelry field for 40 years. I had classes in high school for jewelry making. And then when I got out of college, I didn't want to be a school teacher for biology. So I needed a job and started working in the Clark building. And a Japanese master named Masaru Ueno wanted to teach me how to make jewelry. And that was 35 years ago. Some people bring in drawings, and then we help out with drawings, and we design something that they become 100% happy with. And then I will either make it out of gold, or we will have a design company use a CAD program and make the wax for the original design, because all jewelry basically is made from wax. It's a process that's 3,000 years old, and it's still the same today. You make the wax mold first, and then if that's okay, then you take the wax and replace it with gold in the lost wax process. A customer came in, and he had bought a pocket watch over in England. He really didn't want to use it as a pocket watch, so he saw pictures of this and wanted to be able to wear it on as a wristwatch. The problem with his case wasn't all gold, so we weren't able to take the works of the watch out and weld or solder bars that hold the band pins. So I tried to come up with a solution, making this out of sterling silver. So the actual pocket watch will slide in here and clamp down up here. Just it kind of fits in under tension. And I have the arms coming out that will hold the band pins that go through the leather strap. I think something like that might be what the customer likes. We're waiting for his watch to come back from the watchmaker as he's reinstalling the hands to be more secure. So it's stuff like that. We hate to say no to a customer. We might say, no, we can't do that, but we can try to do this. And most 9 out of 10 are like, great, because it's very sentimental to him. His father or something had a watch exactly like that. So we try to go out of our way to make customers and build a relationship that will last forever. That's kind of the little things we do that I believe other jewelry stores do not do.
One of our favorite things to do is custom jewelry, because everything's one of a kind. And we really have the ability to do just about anything. If it can be done in jewelry, we can do it. We do most of it right here in Uniontown. We really enjoy the whole experience of sitting down with the customer and creating something unique and making changes and getting it to be exactly what they want in a one-of-a-kind piece.